Welcome back to the channel. Today, we go inside a black wool factory to explore how raw hide and horns become luxury shoes.
Watch the clearance on the left. Bring it in slowly. We need this raw hide inside now.
These hides are preserved using salt to prevent decay. But before transformation, they must be restored.
Each hide carries unique patterns and imperfections. These details will shape the final product.
The first step begins with rehydration. Water brings the hardened hides back to life.
Massive drums ensure even soaking across every surface. Consistency starts here.
The pressure is holding steady at 40 psi.
Noted. The flow rate looks consistent with the last reading.
Each batch is digitally tracked throughout the process. Traceability ensures quality from start to finish.
Once softened, the hides begin their upward journey. But the transformation is only beginning.
The factory operates like a continuous flow system. Each step feeds directly into the next. Even the horns are not discarded. They serve as valuable byproducts in specialized manufacturing.
Thickness directly impacts durability and flexibility. Only specific grades move forward for luxury products.
Mechanical systems reduce handling damage. Every movement is controlled with care. The scale of production is immense, yet every step must remain precise. Excess moisture is carefully removed. Balance is critical for the next phase.
This is only the beginning of a complex transformation. Each stage builds towards something refined. Beyond this point, the real conversion begins. But before that can happen, the material must be prepared further. The next stage focuses on deep cleaning and preparation. Here, impurities are removed at a molecular level. Hides are treated with lime solutions to loosen hair and proteins. This process prepares them for further refinement.
The solution breaks down unwanted organic material. This ensures a cleaner base for leather production.
Temperature and chemical balance must be precisely controlled. Even small variations can affect quality.
Waste materials are separated and filtered out. This step keeps the process efficient and controlled.
Mechanical dehairing removes surface fibers. The hide begins to reveal its usable layer.
The surface becomes cleaner and more uniform. This is essential for high-quality finishing later.
Splitting reduces the hide into workable layers. Each layer serves a different purpose.
Precision cutting ensures consistent thickness. Uniformity is critical at this stage.
Only selected layers move forward for premium goods. Lower grades are redirected for other uses.
After chemical treatment, thorough washing is required. Residual substances must be completely removed.
High-pressure rinsing clears remaining impurities. Cleanliness directly impacts the final finish.
The chemical balance is carefully tested. Proper pH levels are essential for the next phase. The mixture penetrates deep into the fibers. Uniform absorption ensures consistency. Early inspection prevents flawed material from advancing. Only suitable hides continue forward. Moisture levels are carefully adjusted again. Too much or too little can disrupt the next stage. Preparation is now complete. The material is ready for transformation through tanning. What comes next will define the leather's strength and character. The core transformation is about to begin.
This is the heart of leather production. Tanning transforms raw hide into durable material.
Large-scale drums ensure consistent processing. Every hide must be evenly treated.
Chromium salts penetrate deep into the fibers. This step stabilizes the material permanently.
Chemical inputs are precisely calculated. Accuracy here determines the leather's strength. The fibers begin to bond with tanning agents. This changes the structure at a microscopic level.
Tanning occurs in controlled phases. Each stage builds on the previous one. The material emerges transformed. This stage is known as wet blue leather.
At this point, the leather is stable and preserved. It can now be shaped and refined further.
Shaving ensures exact thickness. Precision here affects flexibility and durability. Excess material is removed carefully. The surface becomes more consistent. Color is introduced during this phase. It penetrates deep into the leather.
Retanning enhances specific properties. It can improve softness, strength, or color depth.
The color bonds within the structure. This ensures long-lasting appearance. The leather now carries its base color, but further refinement is still required.
Drying stabilizes the treated material. Moisture must be carefully reduced.
Controlled airflow prevents damage. Even drying maintains structural integrity. Moisture levels are continuously monitored. Balance is essential before finishing begins.
The transformation is now clearly visible. Raw hide has become workable leather.
Next comes detailed refinement and shaping. This is where craftsmanship meets precision. With tanning complete, the focus shifts to precision work. This stage defines the final structure of each product. The leather must be perfectly flat before cutting. Even minor distortions can affect accuracy. Patterns are carefully arranged to maximize material use. Precision mapping reduces waste and ensures consistency. Computer-guided blades cut each piece with exact detail. Every millimeter matters at this stage. Clean edges are essential for strong assembly. They also improve the final appearance.
Edges are thinned to improve flexibility. This allows precise shaping later on.
Surface textures can be enhanced through embossing. This step adds both style and uniformity.
Texture affects both appearance and feel. It is carefully controlled for consistency.
The assembly phase begins with stitching. Individual parts are joined with precision.
Stitching must be strong and uniform. It holds the structure together under stress.
Alignment is critical for symmetry. Even slight shifts can affect the final shape.
The upper structure begins to take form. Each piece contributes to the final design.
Adhesives reinforce stitched connections. They ensure long-term durability. Heat and pressure secure the bond. This creates a stable, unified structure.
The leather is molded into its final shape. This step defines the fit and silhouette.
Clamps maintain tension during shaping. This prevents deformation.
Uniform shaping ensures consistent sizing. Every unit must match exact specifications. The structure is now complete. Next comes refinement and finishing.
Attention now shifts to detail and perfection. The final stages will define the product's quality. At this stage, the focus shifts to finishing and inspection. Every detail must meet strict quality standards.
Polishing enhances the leather's natural shine. It also smooths out minor surface imperfections.
Specialized creams nourish and protect the leather. They bring out depth and uniform color.
Edges are trimmed for a clean profile. Precision here improves both appearance and comfort. The sole is securely bonded to the upper. This step ensures structural strength and durability.
Each shoe undergoes stress testing. Flexibility and resilience are carefully evaluated.
Stitching is examined for consistency. Even the smallest flaw must be identified.
Measurements are verified with precision tools. Accuracy ensures proper fit and alignment.
Only shoes that meet every standard move forward. The final stage now awaits completion. Packaging reflects the product's premium quality. Consistency in presentation is essential.
Each pair is carefully positioned inside. Attention to detail continues until the very end.
Sealing ensures the package remains intact. It protects the product throughout distribution.
Labels provide essential tracking information. Every package is recorded within the system.
Finished goods are moved to distribution areas. The scale of output becomes fully visible here. The journey continues beyond the factory walls. Each shipment carries the result of a complex process.